So.
Really tight in there. Let's go ahead, deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very good. All the way out. Beautiful. Wow. Just gonna do a stretch first here. Go ahead, deep breath in. All the way out. Let the head just fall to the table for me.
Oh!
Very good. Awesome.